Namaste. Welcome to our day 17, 30 days yoga challenge. Let's begin today's practice by opening the legs wider, as wide is comfortable in your body. Then see if you can hold the toe or shin bone. I can hold my toe, so I will go ahead. Then bring the hand back onto your back. Inhale. As you exhale, twist your chest towards the ceiling or sky. Back to the center. Chain the sides. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the center 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Back to the center. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Back to the center. Inhale, exhale. Back to the center. Then bring the leg together. Sit onto your sitting bones. Keep your chest up. Hands on the side. Lean back slightly. Lift the leg up and bring your hands up. You can keep your leg bent for now. Hold. Then bring the hand by the side of the buttocks. Lift. Back to lifting the leg. Arms up. Can hold between 5 seconds to 10 seconds and lift. We are repeating 3 times. So one more time, lifting the leg. And lift onto your hands. Lie down on your belly. With your hands stretched out. As you inhale, bring your right hand, left leg, and head up. Exhale down. Inhale, left hand, right leg, head up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we try both legs, both hands together. Inhale. Lifting both legs, both hands, and head up. Exhale down. Bring the hands on top of each other, forehead on the hands. And bring the hands, elbows onto the ground, hands flat. Bend your knees. Shoulders push down, chest up, head up. Try bring your head towards the leg, towards the feet, and feet towards the head. Exhale, release. Then bring your leg one out and one bend. Another leg bent, one leg out. Alternate the feet. Good. Come down and bring your forehead onto the hands. Then bend your knee. Hold your ankles. Forehead down. Inhale, lift your head up. Chest up, legs up. Stand on your abdomen and breathe. Long and deep. Exhale down. Bring the forehead on the ground. Hands under the shoulders. Take your time if you need to. If you're ready, push with your hands and twist to the right. Look to the left foot. Down, exhale. Inhale up. Left twist. Exhale down. Inhale up. Right. Exhale down. Inhale. Twist. Exhale down. And rest in Makarasana. And push with your hands, turn around and lie onto your back. Bend your knees. Palms on the ground. Then raise your right leg up and pull your right leg towards the sky or ceiling. Try to touch the sky or ceiling so that your hips comes up off the ground. Exhale down. Repeat the same on the left, pulling the leg all the way up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Prepare in your mind for shoulder stand. Bend your knee. Push with your hands and elbows. Lift your hips up. Support your back with your hands. Raise your legs all the way up and hold. To come out of the pose, lower your hip down. Very slowly roll yourself all the way down. Stretch your legs out and bring your hands under your back. And stand up onto your elbows. Look at your toes. Adjust. Inhale, lift your chest out. Drop your top of the head on the ground. Inhale, lift your head up, look at your toes, and drop your body down. Then sit up, bend your legs, sit onto your heels and then remove the feet away from the hips. Remove the feet away from the hips and with care see if you can do. If you have knee problem, you can skip this asana. Then bring your elbow onto the ground, lift your hips up and drop your hips down, and then go all the way. Possible, if not, stay here. If you can go all the way, very slowly and gently with care, all the way down. Bring your hands around over the top of the head and relax. Support with your hands, come back up, push with your elbows and all the way up. You can go ahead, sit in Sukhasana or onto your chair if you need to sit on the chair. Then give thanks in prayer pose. Namaste.